Okay, it's a great honor for me to introduce and welcome Dr. Chandramohan this morning for ASP kickoff meeting. Doctor, thank you so much for taking your busy schedule to come and have a talk to our young ASP team. And Team ASP, Dr. Chandramohan is the chairman and managing director of Preeti Group of Urology Hospitals in Telangana. And every year, Dr. Chandramohan trains about 50 to 100 budding urologists in the area of RIRS and endourological procedures. His techniques are widely used, by all the urologists in India. And Dr. Chandramohan is the first person to introduce laser RIRS for kidney stones in AP Telangana region, and other hospitals have started following that. And he had several publications in national and international journals on urology. And most importantly, his deliberation was with the Society of International Urology in Canada. And Sir has completed his MS General Surgery from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and MPH from PG Chandigarh. And Sir is an MB urologist, gold medalist, and has completed MRCS from Edinburgh. So thank you so much, and we are looking forward for your motivational talk for our young team here.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. At the outset, I thank the Advanced Sterilization Products for giving this opportunity. To mention Dr. Nikhil, Managing Director ASP in India, Dr. Abdul Hamid, General Sales Manager ASP Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Vijay Anand and all other regional heads, Disha Head Marketing ASP India, Banali Clinical Support ASP India, all of you and the audience, a warm welcome today morning. See, the goal of today's talk is, we have been facing for last 1 year COVID pandemic, a lot of problems the society has faced, not only in terms of the health but also in terms of the business. Now we entered 2021 with some optimism. Things are rolling. How we go to the market? First, I am a clinician.
Yeah.
I may not be very experienced in the marketing skills, but one should not say that after maintaining 3 hospitals with 200 employees. I started my clinic with 1 chair, with 1 patient, with 1 attendant, and with only 1 wife. Of course, same wife will be with me now also, he is with me. It has to go on. Where you start is not important, how you are conducting today is important. If yesterday corona is there, today what you are, it is decreasing. So how our motive should be there is very important. There are 4 types of heads I see here. One is marketing head, one is business head, one is national head. I must tell all the juniors, when you start your career, the least stressful life is when you are at the 0 level, when you have only 1 chair, when you have only 1 patient, when you have only 1 wife. So you should be very, very, very happy that you are a junior. All the national heads, all the X head, YJ head, these heads will have enormous headache to deal people like you. That is the first thing I wanted to enlighten, that when you go to a doctor, you have to deal only with 1 doctor, but the heads will deal with many other things. That's why as you grow, you will have more stress, more BP, more hypertension, or more fights with the same wife. You will not have that. All the juniors think that we are paid less, we are working hard, we are traveling more. Even I have seen Gangadhar in South India traveling and gaining some weight, also eating somewhere in the airport. It is very, 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 very common. But all you have to do is a physical work. So all my dear juniors, be proud that you are a junior. You are at an younger age. You have a lot of chance to do what you wanted to do, because you have energy to concentrate on only few things. This is the first thing I wanted to tell. That is the only reason you pardon your seniors when they are angry, when they are stressed, when they are putting targets, don't take it personal. All these seniors will be headed by super seniors. They are not super seniors, they are owners. The ownership whoever has will have a different command on the super heads. That stress is phenomenal high stress.
Yeah.
What the stress Gangadhar is facing is 100 times more that. Now let us come to the how the science is related to the marketing business. Is it correct to link the science with marketing? There is one product, entire world is not able to match, is Da Vinci Robo. Similarly, there is one product from Johnson Johnson, now it is ASP, is the steroid. Then why they have to meet the demands? They are the leaders, they are the pioneers, they are the solo. Is it marketing required? Is it advertisement required? That is the second question. First question I told is respect the boss because they are more under stress. Don't think that they get more salary or they are traveling in a sedan car. That sedan car is useless. Naam ke vaste you will be sitting in that car, never you are relaxed. Whereas in your motorcycle, at least you will get nice air in the polluted air in the Hyderabad. So let us continue the topic. Second one, what we are talking is why should you market? Why should you have targets when you are the topper? Why Airtel is keeping on the roads that if you get your PAN card, we will give you 10 paise less and give, because it has to compete with another big one. No conflicts of interest. I am giving only example with Reliance.
Yeah.
Airtel is a very big company, Reliance is a big company. They always sit with umbrella on the road and say that should we give the mobile. Same thing SBI offers loans and HDFC. You know how much they do turnover? Unimaginable in the world.
Yeah.
It is a need of the hour that you have to tell that I am Dr. Chandramohan, I am MS from AIMS, I am MCH from Chandigarh, because that is my bench car. My entire life I studied well and entered into Usmania Medical College, MS AIMS, MCH Chandigarh. Is it useful now? Many think that no, do surgery and do. No. You show your bench car. My bench car is my degrees. Similarly, you show your product which is the solo, nothing but the steroid to your customer. When you go inside, you think that you are going in bench car to him and then talk. That is my second point. You need, even if you are in bench car, you need to project that the bench car is very good. Don't say that Maruti is better. Maruti can be never better than bench car. Any of you, if the offer is given Maruti and bench, will you take Maruti car? No. No conflicts of interest. We are not saying Maruti is bad. I started my career with Yamaha motorcycle and then switched over to Tata Indica, then Matic car, then Honda City, like that. You, all the company employees who are working here are in the bench car of ASP steroid. Feel it. Feel it when you go. Forget about corona, forget about the business, forget about the head, forget about the scolding of the head. The concept is you are dealing with a good product. That's what I mean to say. Yeah. You are dealing with a highly good product. Now third point I am telling you. When you have lot of pressure during corona time, when things are moving right from the HOD to the bottom level, they think that what are the offers? Can we sustain? Can we jump to other company? What will be the benefits? This is also very important. Third point, never do that. When you are in trouble, never take decision which is hasty. Stick on to it. For example, 2 years no hike is given. Go to the room, pray the God that do not get frustrated. Try to adjust all the arrangements according to that. First, you should be happy when you go to the customer. If you are not happy, if you are not convinced about your growth, you cannot convince the customer. This is very important. So first thing is the boss, respect the boss because he is under stress. Number two is your company is your Benz car or BMW. Feel that when you go to it. And third thing is that don't worry about your security where you are working. If you are worried about your security, you cannot do. Your company is such a big company where your security is double finalized.
Yeah.
Many of the companies like Starz and Olympus, my close friends where I take alcohol with them in the evening parties, occasionally, no conflicts of interest, injurious to health. So mention you should do, but when they come, sir, they are torturing me, sir. My boss is torturing. I cannot do it, sir. I am not able to go home, sir. Last 3 days I am roaming, sir. But incentive this year not give. I say that please stick on to the basic principles. Wait for some time till it get burst out. Don't do anything. Early phases, do not discuss with people who have jumped and getting troubles. I have seen from small, if you go to the small company, there are 110 headaches you have to deal. Feel proud of a big company. This is the third point I wanted to tell you. This is the encouragement what I am giving to the ASP company people. That is my motive today. I wanted to say that you be happy, then only you can make me happy.
Yes.
If Gangadhar is not happy, he cannot convince me, a higher professional like me. I can find out what type of underwear he is wearing, whether he is happy or not.
True.
Whether he is happy or not yesterday night, whether he slept or not, I can tell. It's not easy to convince me saying that, hello sir, ASP is very good sir, steroid will change your life sir, it will immediately change your up and down sir. Nobody will listen that.
Yes.
No customer will listen that you will be up and down, you will be seen, down front you will be seen. Nobody will listen that. This is a casual talk. This is internal talk. Do not take personally if I am taking a loose comments. Any talk which is very serious and grammatical will not go into our brain.
Yeah.
I have a talk with full grammar. If I talk that, all of you will sleep in 5 minutes.
I agree.
English grammar. Full English grammar I have prepared with one English teacher. When I am reading that, my wife said that please don't read that, you talk whatever you want. So I kept it silent mode.
Absolutely agree. agree.
Fourth point. Now when you have the target, when you are entering into a new year with a certain amount of the plan, higher manager will say that please go and tell that this product is very useful, cost effective, you can save life, you can save this, that, this. But he will be losing a little bit from the surgeon point of view also. Now I am coming to the subject.
Yeah.
3 points is only to give introduction that your bosses are under stress. Don't think you are under stress. Your company is a Benz car, feel from your heart. And third thing is that never think of jumping Jilani during the bad times. All companies are drowning. Your company is better.
Yes.
These 3 points, first important thing. Second, I am coming to the business. Business is the only way you survive. Your salary, all of your salary, all of your company, because I am now 200 employees owner. Every month I have to pay 70 to 90 lakhs salaries. When 25th alarm will be coming to me, what is happening. All the people, staff will be happy from 1st to 5th because their alarm will be salary has come into your account. My alarm will be salary is deducted. I am painful, they are happy. See how the beauty the thing is. My message will come, tring means 1 lakh deducted. The next my close friend will be there, tring message means 1 lakh has come into his account.
Correct.
I am unhappy, he is happy.
Correct.
Not like that. You have to understand that it is business. The day I told that, the day you are born, you are a professional. A small animal will born, it has to go to the mother and take the breast milk. It is his duty. The day you are born, you are a professional. The day you are married, you are an admin. You have to admin your wife. You have to compromise.
Yeah. True.
You have to act. You should say something to administer your wife. The day you employ your driver, you are a businessman. You have to calculate what salary you have to give, whether you are getting that amount of money or not. The day you open one entity, you are an entrepreneur. The day you take the money from others, you are a partner, no more owner. So all of you, the day you take salary from the company, you are also a businessman. Don't be hesitant to say that business word is bad. Business is the life, business is the oxygen, business. We don't talk in terms of money, we talk in terms of business. There is little difference. Business is a way to earn money. Money is a poor word, business is the official word. Now my fourth point is how to do business when things are going wrong. That's what my job today. Maybe another 10 minutes only I will talk, I will not disturb much. My time only I will restrict. This 10 minutes talk is very, very, very important. When head sits and talks the business plan, when a regional manager sits and how to execute it, when the lowest person thinks how to go to the doctor and get business, if any of them sleeps during the meet, there is a lot of disconnect.
Yep.
Any of you sleep, there are 4 phases. If higher phase person sleeps, entire team gets damaged. If the last person sleeps, less damage occurs. So that means top person can never sleep. He will be thinking even in the bedroom also what's next tomorrow, how many missions going, which boy is working well, which part of the country is doing well, where the import transport can occur, how much we can go, how to promise, if things go wrong, how can I encourage? That is his job. You have to execute it. This I am telling confidently because every Thursday when I take the class, I will be under tremendous stress. No doubt my diastolic blood pressure will be slightly higher. I check. I definitely check because I want to live longer with good vitality. Not like just living. I want to be vibrant. I know what is vibrance. You should have vibrance. Both inside the house, outside the house, you should have vibrance. You should not go tired every day and say that I'm tired, I'll sleep, tomorrow meeting is there. No. When you are doing business, there should be a plan. All of you should be awake. Even when I am talking, all of you please be awake. If somebody is sleeping, we get disconnected. So this sleeping attitude should not be there when meetings are there. First important is meeting. Like we are meeting today, there is some purpose. We all get motivated. What is my advantage is that very big company I will have relation. I will be very happy to meet higher heads who are like me in their company. I may be a surgeon, but he is a company dealing with 100 crores of business. It's an international company. Why I should not talk with those people and make friendship with them? That is my attitude. Same attitude should be there, all your employees, that my bosses are talking. Can I impress? Something like that. Coming to the next level, when your bosses give some suggestions, when discussion goes on, how you take home the message and then you carry the work. This is for the junior most level. Maybe here 15-20 members will be there. What you need to do is that you also have to work 16 hours physically. 16 hours physically working is not difficult. Not at all difficult. For that, all you have to do is that your physical and mental fitness is very, very important.
Yep.
Every day, half an hour, 40 minutes you do gym, 10-15 minutes you do introspection, whether you call yoga, meditation, close your eyes. Where are you? What are you going to do today? Which doctor you are going to meet? What I am going to tell? That you have to do, because the more pleasure on your face will reflect to the surgeon or any customer is the correct word. You can impress, then you can get the business. Now, the same fourth point, sub point, how I got trapped by Gangadhar in this process of steroid buying, I will tell. That is a good example. Not only I, many might have. What is the crux is that if you don't know about these steroid companies, how it works, what is hydrogen peroxide, what is the ion, where it goes, what type of paper it can perforate, what type of plastic it cannot use, what type of product. For that, day and night you have to study for 1 month. I must tell you, if you have been given a Benz car, if you are not a driver, all you can do is sit on the back side, pray the God that the front driver will drive. That is bullshit. If you don't know what are the gadgets in the BMW, how to use the phone by Bluetooth, Bluetooth will be there, your phone you will never use, and you will be using like this. No intelligent will use like this. Automatic car will come, automatic it will connect, and you will talk if you are alone. If you are not alone, if your very close friend is there, you don't want to talk, you have to talk with your phone, you should be able to switch off the Bluetooth. Similarly, wherever you go, whichever customer you go, steroid mission, what is the weight of the mission? How many people can tell juniors? What is the weight of the 3 missions? If you have to lift like Bahubali, can you lift it? What is the weight of the mission? What is inside? A businessman who is seller, now we are dividing marketing, business, repair. How can you divide? You have to know everything. Go to the office, open the door, go to the repair shop, go all electrical switches, what is KV, what is plug, how much current is coming inside. Yesterday, me and my wife were sitting in this same room where steroid is there, my OPD. I told that no gas outlet, no sound. Can we have any mission? This is more than a Porsche car where you don't get any gas outside. What a mechanism, yeah.
Yeah.
Some amount of the gas is used as energy, but the wastage is not there. If you go into the heart of your heart, then you can explain the doctor very well. So primary product idea by any person, let him be a businessman, let him be a marketing person, let him be a head, let him be a foot, no matter, you have to know your product in detail. That is essential. When you have taken a phone worth 1 lakh crazily, if you know only lift on and lift off, why should you take this here? 90% of the people will see WhatsApp, forwarding message, deleting message if you are doing anything wrong, and just hiding something not to see anybody. Bus, that's all. There are thousands of features. We don't know. The person who knows will enjoy the life. The person who knows how to deal with this. There is a locker inside this. There is a DigiLocker in that. I never carry my ID proof to the airport. There is a clear DigiLocker. Should have knowledge.
Yes,
Why should
yes.
you have phone? The people say if you have phone, if you have everything, you should feel that if you have steroid, I have everything. Let it be small mission, let it be medium mission, but it is large mission, super large mission. This is a knowledge
Yes,
of
yes.
mission. Now in the 4th point, we are going to the next C point. So first point we told that the bosses are under stress. Second point, you are in the best point, you have to say that should feel happiness in inside and go. And 4th point is when you comes to the business, don't feel that business is money. And 5th is you have to know the knowledge of your gadget. Now coming to the how do you approach with this gadget to your customer. This is also there. As my talk goes in this 10 minutes, every word is very valuable. Concentrate. Every word is very valuable because I learned with my patient, one patient is equal to 100 families. If I have 10,000 families, lifelong I can earn 10 lakhs per month. That was my vision. One patient, all the attendants talk nicely, they all feel happy, and after 10 years, that becomes 10,000 members. This is my 15th year. I am seeing 100 OPD. That means after 10 years, I have chance of 10,000 OPD. With that 10,000 OPD, I can build a corporate hospital.
Absolutely.
If you are talking to a person, go with a positive mind. Let it be Corona X, Y, Z. Last year, entire Corona, all the staff are there with me. Only 1 month we have reduced 10%. Rest of all the months paid. I am a single person, but never we have taken. When nothing was on the road, I was positive. Not I am praising myself. There is a long way to learn. Next meeting, all the heads who are sitting here, I will take their phone numbers. I will listen to them. but today it is my turn, I am talking. Don't think otherwise. So what the important thing when you go to customer is, first analyze what is the customer is. First you are going in a bench car, you have confidence, you are happy. Previous day, night you have not fought with your wife, you slept well, morning half an hour gym you have done, dosa idli you have taken, your stomach is full, start the work, go with a smiling face. But before going into the room, who is he? There are various types of personalities.
Yes.
Some does not respect you. Some respect you. Some make you to sit. Some never allow you to talk. Some says that your product is useless, get out. Some say that it is never works out in India. Some say that I have side effects, I am happy, who are you to tell that? Some says that I never use instrument which are required for the steroid. You know the answer for that is 90% of the doctors are less knowledgeable. You feel inside that I am talking to a less knowledgeable person, your confidence level increases. 90% of the doctors are less knowledgeable about this topic. You have advantage or disadvantage? Huge advantage. If doctor also knows everything, then you cannot counter with him. Including myself, I don't have any knowledge 5 years back about steroid. Just because Nadyad Hospital has taken, crazily I have looked into it. That means doctors are crazy. They want to buy new iPhone 10s with 1.5 lakhs, but they know only two things. One is lifting, one is cutting, and how to hide the WhatsApp messages. Nothing else. Because it is essential. But they don't know anything about the mission. They will say everybody that I am buying. Even if you use steroid, they won't do anything. They will be staring steroid. So to a less knowledgeable person, talking is easy during corona or non-corona. You are knowledgeable because yesterday you studied about your mission. He is not knowledgeable. Now, if he is arrogant, if he is very senior, if he is able to spend lot of money, and if he is a big boss, then your communication skills matter. How to take time with that person who is arrogant, who is rich, who is not interested in you. This is the most peak point I am talking. A person whom you cannot convince, just go and put a bad face and come out in 1 minute, you are a failure. That is not the reason the company has kept for you. These are not things which are given in the books. These are not given anywhere in the meetings. It is your personal ability, how you stand, how you look into the eyes of the big owner, so-called. Who is for big here? For whom he is big? For steroid company is not big. Who is big? Why he is not listening to you? How much time you can wait? If he gives 1 minute what to talk, if he gives 5 minutes what to talk, if he gives 10 minutes what to talk. For example, Gangadhar said, sir, you don't take the mission, sir. If you have chance, you please read this. Thank you, sir, I will go. Will anybody say anything? He will not read, he will put into the dustbin. But if you tell 10 times to him, one day or another day he will look into it. Some scientific content. Half of the people, doctors are good, they are not bad. Only owners, business people, they are not good. Because they look into the output. They are also businessmen. But those who are professionals, they wanted to see into it. So, in 1 minute time if you want to impress, if 5 minutes time you want to impress, if 30 minutes time you want to impress, you should have a mind game in your plan as a junior most. That is why you are paid for. That is the only reason you are paid for. Go with a positive frame, quickly analyze what type of person, what is the income, what is the turnover, what amount of cases are doing, how many surgeons are coming outside, how busy the OPD is, when is the right time, when he will be happy. From where you will get all this information? With only one person, the personal secretary of the owner of the hospital. If you cannot make little friendship with the personal secretary of the owner, you can never approach him. A small gesture with personal secretary, have a cup of tea with him, respect him 2-3 times, and get entry into the boss when he is in good mood, and then start your conversation. Very, 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 very important. If you go directly and say that you don't know about STERAD, sir, this is the best mission in the world, sir. I am surprised why your hospital is not having this mission, sir. He will say, get out. What is his concern? He might have never gone to theater to see what happens in the theater. He gets only worried when fever comes. Attack on that. You attack on the fever. And second thing is that cost effectiveness. One is ability to connect with the person with whom you wanted to do business. Ability to connect with the person with whom you wanted to do business is a big first 40% of energy you have to keep. For example, 10 customers you wanted to meet. One is a corporate hospital owner, one is a small gully hospital owner, one is a medium nursing home owner, one is a partnership owner. All the things you should have complete knowledge before going into it. One day you waste, no problem. But take the data of the person with whom you are meeting. Is he a very ruthless person? Whoever may be the person, you have to go and meet. Even if he is a ghost, you have to go and meet, say that STERAD is there, so that you can convert from ghost into human being. If you don't have that capability, leave the job and go to something like a cloth shop and sell that this saree is very nice, you please take these suits very well for you. Then they be ruthless here. I am treating all of you like my brothers who are working at the primary level, who are working at the basic level. There is no scope for quitting and then continuing the job. Quitting in the brain and continuing the job for money. Never do that. Never ever do that. Quit it. Quit the job, quit the money, go out of it. You can still live. But once you are in, die for it. Die for it means 40% of your energy you have to get information with whom you are going to talk. If Chandramohan is the owner, what type of personality he is, what type of earnings he has, how he deals with people, how can I deal with him? So we are continuous process. Bosses are under stress. Benches are you in. You should be a happy person to go and talk with your customer. Don't think that you are doing a business, confidently go into the room of the person. Know the person in detail. Who you are dealing should be the person, should listen to you. Next, when you are talking about this STERAD, how will you represent? How will you plan your this thing? What first thing you say, what first thing the owner says, can you keep the STERAD mission for 1 month with me? You should have an answer for that. Never say no and never say yes. What Gangadhar says, I will try, I will talk to my bosses, sir. Definitely I will look into it, sir. What is the definite? God knows. Definitely I will look into it, sir. It is very good mission, sir. Then I will try with my boss Deepak, and whenever he says, I will shift, sir. Very few missions are there in Hyderabad, sir. Still I will try, sir. Instead of that, no, sir, it cannot be shifted. It is not at all possible. Then he says that please get out. These are the basics. These are the basics. The more you hurt the other person, the less you get. So your morale, your mood should be in such a way that tolerance is the most important. Tolerate what he asks. If you say 20 lakhs, he will ask, can you give for 10 lakhs? Then you will get sweating. Can any company give for 10 lakhs? If you ask for 20 lakhs mission, can any company give 10 lakhs loss? Not possible. You should not say that. Not possible. How can you say that? That much margin may not be possible, sir, but definitely I will try, sir. What the definite, nobody knows. These are the 100 examples will be there. You are already trained. I am not going to train. What I mean to say that how fast with eye to eye contact you connect with the owner with 3 visits is your success. First know the owner. In 3 visits you should know, quickly analyze. It's a war between you and mental war between you and your customer. The one who wins the mental war, you have to. Your job is to get the business done. No other talk. For that there is a way. It's not that you go and beg. You are in a bench car. Bench car person will never beg. You should have your own style of functioning. Then you go with the gadgets what you have. Next, if he shows interest, then you put more energy, try to meet and go to that road more often. You should analyze grade A, grade B, grade C. I say if I send any my marketing person to the referral doctor, which is not correct method for a doctor, I say that first person tell that Chandramohan is MS AIMS, MCH Chandigarh, highly qualified. If doctor says, okay, I'm happy, I will send the case, take care of the patient, I am not expecting anything. Character him as grade 1, go to him more often, he is the great person. Number 2 person, okay, you take care of patient, if possible give me something also, grade B. If somebody says, I want money only, whatever you do patient, I don't mind, grade C, never meet him, he will never help you. Grade C customers don't meet. Grade A customers take pain to meet again and again. The one who is showing, I was a grade A customer, but I took 1 year of time, but he succeeded. That is the perseverance of the businessman towards the customer, continuously keep interest on him. How can you do that? Sending the importance of this steroid one video, one motivational video, the importance of this steroid video, continuously be in touch. Good morning, sir. This is the message I got. I hope I am not disturbing you. Like that you continuously, so that 4th time when you go to the room, he will offer coffee. You have to get the coffee with him. The day you get the coffee from the owner, your half of the business is done. The day you get the coffee in the morning for at your level by the owner, that means he is liking you, not the steroid. First he should like you, then only he like the steroid. This is a valid point. If you are irritating face, you can never sell the product. First he should like you. So you should make a personality representation, eye to eye contact, dressing, your shoes, conduct, satisfying the owner in such a way that he will offer a coffee to you. Coffee has a lot of meaning in business. Coffee is a sign of friendship, coffee is a sign of enmity, everything is there. Never ever underestimate the offerings of coffee, offerings of the water, offering of the tea, offering of the biscuits. They are very important gestures. This is my practical experience. I am not a very successful person as of now. My journey is going on. With my 15 years of experience, I am very concerned about the mannerisms. I am really concerned about mannerisms. Mannerisms one should understand at your level. All the employees who are in, I can give guarantee that who are in ASP are already highly qualified. Highly qualified, if you don't have mannerisms of dress, mannerisms of talking, you are unfit to drive the BMW or Bench. This is a point. Next, how will you say that it is cost effective to the hospital? This is the subject. This is a subject. How I have taken, this is my true experience. There is a component of the mission, there is a component of maintenance, there is a component of the CMC, there is a component of AMC, and there is a component of the patient charging. Many times Gangadhar failed me to convince that I don't charge the patient. I don't charge the patient. He says that without charging the patient, it is not possible to buy, sir. Never say that. It is possible in my hospital that still I am not charging. There is a goodwill. If you are taking one villa in Mantri, one villa in Aparna, you are bound to get great facilities of the plantations as well as the other facilities. Feel that proudness that the mission is not going to get damaged often. The mission, what the sterilization you are using, I know in depth. The sterilization which we are using is chemical sterilization. It will cost monthly 25 to 30,000. Sterilization we are using Sidex, it will cost 25 to 30,000. The sterilization which ETCO2 will cost 30,000 for a single owner. All these three things you should go in depth and say that additionally you have to keep only 10 to 20,000. With which your patient will be very happy, with which your patient goodwill will be very good, and one patient is equal to 100 patients, or not through the 100 patients, not through one steroid sterilization of 1,000 rupees. No. I am not charging even now after 1 year any specific charging for this steroid sterilization. I have another 13 minutes of time. I will finish in 13 minutes. My time is now 11:18, though I have only 12 minutes time. We will conclude by 11:30, 100%. Otherwise it will be boring. Any talk more than 40 minutes is useless. However good you talk, people will slowly say, यही सेम बोल रहा है यार, क्या थोड़ा तो आगे बढ़ो, ना तो बंद करो, नहीं तो कुछ जोक्स तो बोला, ऐसा आएगा. It is very difficult to keep the talk moving on for more than 40 minutes. So whenever somebody asks you to talk for 1.5 hours, don't feel good. It is bad. You should never give a lecture more than 1.5 hours. That's why coffee break, tea break, lunch break, evening break, full food, and in between half an hour sleep break also will be there. After the lunch, will anybody will listen this type of talk? You have to make your voice and your movements should go into the brain of the person. Same thing you do with your customer.
Yeah.
So my duty that in 12 minutes I have to keep you concentrated. It's 11 minutes only. I have to convey the message what I wanted to do to the root level. Take that last breath and quickly finish it. Sir, I am telling you, Dr. Chandramohan is the one person who never used to allow me in the room. He has taken it. He built 3 hospitals. He is so intelligent. Every day one hospital he gets all the equipment and dump into the steroid, and he is enjoying, sir. He doesn't even charge. You ask him once, sir. I am not saying that he is greater than you. Just एक बार चंद्रमोहन से बात करो, sir. You have to choose the customer with whom you are able to go to dinner outside and have 1 pint of beer. That's not easy. The day you can sit with customer genuinely, sit outside and have a biryani, you are a real achiever. I am not saying that you butter. It's a relation. Even today I can go with Ganga without any shy in my BMW car and have 1 peg and then discuss what is the future of this steroid. I have selfishness in that. I want to know what is next. One day or other day I will build 10 hospitals. That time how many steroid I should have? Can I transport all the material from Hyderabad one place to other place, all the steroid material? There is a chance that I will buy one more. So your relation with the customer of the existing is very, very, very important. The day you sell, if you don't lift the phone, disaster. Disaster for your personality, for your company. First your personality. First your personality. I think that ये तो चोर है यार, एक बार चेक देने के बाद बात ही नहीं कर रहा है मेरे से, तो बस बंद कर दिया टाक. ऐसा कभी नहीं रहना, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं रहना. That is crime.
Yeah.
आप अगर ऑपरेशन किया है, उसको स्टिच में प्रॉब्लम आ गया, पैसा दिया है बोल के वो स्टिच आप नहीं देखोगे, पेशेंट कभी भी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रहेगा. उसको और प्यार से देखो ध्यान दी पेइंग पेशेंट. उसका कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है बार बार देखो, चाहे तो तुम्हारा नंबर दे दो, ही विल नेवर फॉरगेट यू एंड ही इज द वन हु इज गोइंग टू 10 कस्टमर्स. If anybody asks me in Hyderabad, how is steroid? What is the chance that I will tell 100%? There is 100% chance because of two reasons. Because the machine is doing well, because Gangadhar is continuously meeting me. Before buying, Gangadhar used to send every week, sir, this person has taken steroid, this person. I used to get irritated. Why if that person gets, I should take? What is the nonsense? But now I am feeling comfortable with these messages that, sir, we have sold 100. I am feeling that he is my friend, he is in a group and he is selling more and he is growing. When it will come? Only with friendship.
Yep.
Do friendship. Do friendship with your customer who believed in you. Sometimes worth you spend 200 rupees of your money and get the cake and give it to him. I am not saying Gangadhar give to me. I don't eat. But worth sometimes playing some small mannerisms where you give a small pen, you take it. Nobody says no for the gift, but gift is not bribing. Gift is encouraging. Anything with intent of bribing is wrong. Even if your wife, if you praise, it should be through love. It should not be like WhatsApp says that every day your wife praise every day. Your wife also understand that you are praising unnecessarily. That will never work out. If you praise honestly when the dress is good, okay. If horrible dress is taken also, oh, you are looking so beautiful today. How can you tell like that? So if you are giving gift, if you are giving something, it should be from your heart. So this is the last part of the talk, is that maintain your customer. Once you sell it, maintain his customer. Keep a chain of the customers. Sometime if your daughter birthday is there, call that chain. I say that it is not business, but it is business. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong if Chandramohan is called for this steroid Gangadhar, because steroid Gangadhar is the name I write in my phone. If his daughter's birthday is there, why he will not call? Whether I go or not, he will call. Sir, one time you go and come, sir, bless her, it will be nice. Good mannerisms. What's wrong? You get connect. And the last part is the service. Everybody thinks that if any mission goes wrong, you have to be even free of cost, as if it's own property for lifetime. People also, if it goes, shouting will be like anything. What is Gangadhar? What is the nonsense you are doing? I never thought you will do like this. 50, 60 lakhs I have spent, can't make 50,000. Company cannot give 50,000. Because so-called Rohit, Disha, Deepak will never sign for that 50,000. They'll smile out of it. Once AMC, CMC is not there, they will say that stupid, don't encourage this, get lost. And he will go to the customer, he says that get lost. So both decide get lost, where he will go? Only to the house. Only to his house crying he will go. For that answer is, explain the difficulties, you bow your head and say that how the company gets earnings. The owner should understand, who has taken, that the maintenance is the one way of earning for the company. How many people will understand? Sir, try to understand, sir, this is 1 year now, you have not done CMC. If you have done CMC, it might have been better. This small clip has gone. Normally it will cost 70,000. I will try to get for 50,000. Don't expect free of cost. I am telling you as a great friend. I will talk to all my senior companies. We will try to come back. If he says 10 times, you say 100 times this. If owner shouts 10 times, you say 100 times, you go low down. Then he has to shut his mouth. Now I have 5 minutes more time. So the talk should be like a pawn. When you put in your mouth, it should be dissolving so fast, you should feel for one more pawn.
Exactly.
So to conclude, right from beginning of the understanding the boss where you have joined, the company where you have joined, the potentials you have, the positive attitudes you have, assessing the customer where you are going, capability of the customer going, character grading into ABC of the customer you are going, continuous perseverance for 1 year to make the mission of 60 lakhs to buy, After buying, continuously maintaining the friendship, at least to have a cup of coffee, if not pint of beer. Continuously be with him and use him as your role model for others. Cost effective strategies you discuss with your knowledge. More and more persons in a short time you meet. More and more information you get in the region. Day and night you work hard because you are younger. Get the business and celebrate, and all the business people you keep in one row, and one day that businessman should buy the second steroid as early as possible because he loves you. That is the 100% success of the business. If I buy one more steroid without any pressure from the Gangadhar, if I give call, I want one more mission, that day you go and celebrate. That is the day you have to relax. Not after selling 120 lakhs mission to one person who doesn't pay immediately. Rest of the things are highly subjective and objective matters. These are entire our life will be keep on learning. Sometimes we feel bad that after you do everything, you do around 5 missions selling, suddenly you meet same Rohit, Disha and Deepak. He says that क्या रे कितना business आ रहा है, I am under tremendous stress, थोड़ा ज़्यादा करना है, this is not the fair. Then first thing उसको क्या लगेगा, क्या रे ऐसा बात कर रहा है, मैं 5 मिशन सेल किया इस महीने में, उसको मन में 1% भी नहीं है, और सेल करो बोलते कहाँ से सेल करूँ यार, मेरा घर पे रख के जाके रखूँ क्या स्टेरॉइड, उसको फीलिंग आएगा, उसको आएगा फीलिंग, उस दिन उसको इतना गुस्सा आएगा, कोई इस कंपनी में काम करने का मतलब ही नहीं यार, हर कंपनी मैंने कभी नहीं देखा ऐसा कंपनी को, कोई अप्रिशिएशन नहीं यार इस कंपनी में, उन लोगों को बस खींचते रहते हैं ऐसा, मिशन सेल करो, मिशन सेल करो, मिशन सेल करो, तब बैठो और उसका बास उसको कितना खींच रहा है एक बार देख के छोड़ दे, पीटी करो, 5 मिनट ओम 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 बोलो, साइड पे एक चाय काफी पी लो और क्लोज फ्रेंड को कॉल करो, क्या है तुम्हारा, क्या बोलते, वही सेम बोलेगा, अरे यार ये कंपनी ज्वाइन करने के बाद मेरे को सैलरी भी नहीं मिल रहा है, अब इतना टार्चर कर रहा है कि वो फैन सेल करो, इतने फैन सेल करो बोल के, तो कोई भी बॉस आपको अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेगा, अप्रिशिएशन एक्सपेक्ट मत करो। इसलिए लाइफ में अगर दुनिया में एक चीज को बहुत पसंद करना है, वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड को पसंद करो, वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड को पसंद करो। 50 इयर्स के बाद मेरा रियलाइजेशन ये हुआ है कि 100 टाइम्स बेटर इज माई वाइफ देन मेनी पीपल। either my patient, nor my customers, not my juniors, कोई भी उसका सेल्फिश के लिए करेगा, अगर थोड़ा सेल्फिश लिए नहीं कर रहा है तो वाइफ करेगी, उसके साथ कभी भी झगड़ा नहीं करना, रात में जाके कभी भी स्माइलिंग फेस में जाओ, बैठो, क्या पसंद हो ना पसंद हो, कंपनी के बारे में बात मत करो, ना दीपक पे के बारे में बात करो, संजय से बात करो, रोहित से बात करो, पर्टिकुलरली दिशा के बारे में बात ही मत करो। It is disaster to talk plus or minus. वो चाहता ही नहीं है भाई, क्योंकि उसका प्रॉब्लम अलग है, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम अलग है, बैठ के खाना है और नेक्स्ट डे के लिए एनर्जी कम्स ओनली इन हाउस। इफ यू हैव चिल्ड्रन, इट इज द बिगेस्ट गिफ्ट and enjoy with them. It is not the money, it is not the expenditure, it is not your salary, it is the last minute talk. The most of your energy comes from your family.
Yeah.
Never share with them bad things. Never ever share any bad thing. Say that I am doing well, I am selling. Even if you have not sold 6 months, अच्छा चल रहा है यार, कंपनी में अच्छा चल रहा है, बहुत अच्छा सीनियर्स है, मेरा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं चलाता हूँ, बस खत्म हो जाएगा बात। And they will give you food normally and they will make you feel happy and you will have a good night. But if you say कि वो ऐसा कर रहा है, ऐसा कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, तो वो भी फिर ऑयल डालने लगेगा, ऐसा किया था क्या, ऐसा किया, क्यों कर रहा है फिर इस कंपनी में काम, छोड़ देना, छोड़ नहीं सकते, एक बार छोड़ दो, बोलता क्या बात कर रहे हैं तुम, कैसे छोड़ेंगे फिर। एनर्जी लेवल्स आर enormously dissipated in the air in the midnight and ultimately morning your mood is off. You can never go in a Benz car, you are going again in a Maruti car with the company label as ASP, Johnson Johnson, Steroid. You don't have feel of that. Then you can never talk to a person like me, because I can easily identify what type of underwear you are wearing. I mean to say what type of mind you have when you are coming into my room. If you don't have confidence, you cannot do that. To conclude my talk, all of you dear friends, I might have got carried away in my expression. My passion is that whatever you have learnt in life, transfer to your juniors, because one day or another day you may become old or you may die also. You are not the ultimate. Transfer your energy to juniors who are struggling in evolving the business. Ultimately, the biggest society helpers are entrepreneurs.
Yep.
All of you senior, I am giving a one word of encouragement. Feel proud of entrepreneurship. You are giving job for hundreds of people. It's more than a doctor saving the life. In my hospital, some of the technicians are living with 15,000 entire family. I really feel happy when I am down. That 200 employees is my kick. Day after tomorrow, my entire hospital, 3 buses, 15 cars are going outstation. You will see my Facebook filled with that. I feel proud. That 200 employees, every year I go outing. Every year I go outing, I dance with them, I enjoy with them. That is the only time I will be cool. Rest of the times I will be firing. So firing is a norm. All the entrepreneurs should feel topmost positions. Never feel that you are under stress. Take care of you.
Yep.
I think we lost him again.
For giving this opportunity. Wonderful morning. I am very happy for that. Anything more?
No, Vijay, why don't you?
So thank you so much, Doctor, for inspiring Team ASP. And team, I would like to tell that Sir was a speaker for one of the SOTS program, our flagship program. He was a speaker in Hyderabad, and he spoke about instrument sterilization for 2 hours. And till now, when we go back to the customer, people will cherish his talk and the way he gave. He nicely put to all the people about the importance. And thank you so much, Doctor, for motivating the team. And this is very much privileged to have you.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, thank you, Doctor, again on behalf of the whole team. It's been what can I say? It's been very insightful, but equally, like you said, you touched. Probably you reached the heart and brains of each one of us on the call, which is what you intended to do in your own manner, which is so unique and so refreshing. So I totally appreciate it, and we look forward to see you in person and have a great time with your employees at your outing.
Yes.
I really do. I think they're lucky.
I feel happy for them, and I am also feeling lucky for them. Thank you. Very nice.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you a lot, Doctor.
Thank you.
Very
Let's give a
inspiring.
big round of applause to Doctor.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
With your permission, I will leave the meeting.
Thank you.
And sooner I would like to meet all the heads, all the juniors, interact, and let us share the knowledge, because another way around I have to share how big leaders like all these senior people, 20 years, 25 years who are working, they may see I'm getting benefit because I earn money, but salaried employees need lot of commitment. We want to listen from them how they face stress and how they come out. So I want to learn that. Whenever any of you come to Hyderabad, please meet me. During that time, I will ask and learn from you. That is the only way we will improve.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you very much.